Soap stock is generated as a byproduct in the chemical refining process during alkali neutralization. The soap stock generated has about 10 to 30% TFM, and rest is a mixture of water, soap, neutral oil and traces of free alkali. Instead of disposing of soap stock, it can be converted into a valuable product, acid oil, by soap stock splitting process. The soap stock from the alkali neutralization plant is taken to the preparation tank T300, where a calculated amount of caustic lye from the overhead tank T322 is added to saponify the residual phosphatides. This mixture is then homogenized by the agitator, and this mass is recirculated to the tank by a pump P301. The temperature of the mixture is kept at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius by the heating coil in the tank and double pipe heater E302 in the recirculation circuit. The treated soap stock at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius is conveyed to the reactor R303, R304. In the reactor, the soap stock is acidulated with a calculated amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. After filling the reactor with soap stock, the acid is conveyed from the overhead tank T310 by gravity into the reactor. The mass is mixed well with the help of sparge steam through copper coil in the reactor. After homogenization by recirculation for 60 minutes, the mass is allowed to settle. The mass settles into two layers, the top layer of acid oil and bottom layer of acid water. The acidic fumes generated in the reactor are taken to the vapor scrubber VS311, where water is in continuous circulation. When the water becomes enriched with acid, it is drained in the acid water tank T307. The two layers formed in reactor are separated by gravity. The bottom layer of acid water is taken into the separate intermediate storage tank T307 and is conveyed for the disposal to ETP or taken for reuse to reactors. The top layer of acid oil is then taken to buffer tank T308. From there it is further sent to storage tank. The features which make DVC's soap stock splitting plant highly efficient and commercially viable are: efficient soap stock splitting due to continuous stream agitation, reduced steam consumption, recirculation of acidic water to reduce the usage of mineral acid, better acid oil yield with better product, negligible acid fumes released to the atmosphere due to efficient fume scrubbing system. Soap stock splitting plant in combination with the vegetable oil refining plant. This enables the buyer to make use of generated soap stock material and save on earnings.